Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mr. Zeve and we'll be doing introduction to limits. So suppose that we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and we say that these functions are differentiable, meaning that they can be differentiated. So now, if a limit of f of x equals to 0 when x approaches a, when a is just any number, and limit of g of x equals to 0 when x approaches a, then we conclude by saying that the limit of f of x over g of x when x approaches a by direct substitution equals to 0 over 0. Or if we're having a limit of f of x which is equal to positive or negative infinity when x approaches a, and also the limit of g of x which is equal to positive or negative infinity when x approaches a, then we can also conclude the same by saying that the limit of f of x over g of x when x approaches infinity by direct substitution is equal to positive or negative infinity over positive or negative infinity. Then we say that since we're having two scenarios, then we called these limits, we are saying that they are indeterminate type, 0 over 0 or positive infinity over positive infinity. Then we can conclude by saying that the limit of f of x over g of x when x approaches a is equals to the limit of f prime of x over g prime of x when x approaches a, and this is known to be L'Hopital.